Hey guys, and welcome again to our next video. Today we're going to speak about learn to plot graphs for algebraic equations. This is just going to be a quick introduction, guys, and before we get into the topic, we at Teacherlookup. Our main aim is to spread education and give knowledge to as many people as we can. And to do so, we'll need some of your help, and that's why we're asking for a quick donation, whatever you think is right, to donate, and we'll help to spread our education and grow Teacherlookup. So guys, coming back to our website, our topic today. So algebraic graphs, eh? Some people hate the word of algebra, some people don't like it, but today we're going to finally get into it and get a bit of introduction. Algebra graphs. In algebra graphs are used to represent equations. A graph always has an x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, and a y-axis, which is the vertical axis. So I'm just going to scroll on down, and this is the y-axis, which is, as you could see, and this is the x-axis here, where the mouse is for this particular graph. So guys, horizontal and vertical. The intersection of the two axes is called the origin O point, and is typically and has typically got the coordinates of 0, 0. This could vary graph to graph. Not many times does it vary though. Coordinates represent the position of a point. The first number is the x-axis and the second number is the y-axis. So for example, 0.45. So 4 is the x coordinates and 5 is the y coordinate. So x always goes first and y goes the second. Linear graphs for algebra. An equation that has the highest power of the variable as 1 is called the linear equation. If a graph is plotted for such equations, then it always is a straight line. So this is a famous equation, guys. You'll learn about this as well. It's called y equals mx plus c. This is a mathematical equation, which is y equals mx plus c, and this power of variable, we are talking about m here. So for m is to the power of, is to the power of 1, basically. It is not squared, cubed, and if it is squared and if it is cubed, it will no longer be the linear function. This equation is the linear function equation, and if this number, if m, for example, m can be any number, m is basically the gradient of a line. M represents the gradient, C represents the intercept, whereas y and x are the coordinates, and this is called the slope-intercept form. So guys, this is the equation of a straight line, and we've just sort of spoke about what represents what, and did you know for equations y equals c and x equals c, where c is a constant, the equation graph is a horizontal or a vertical straight line respectively. So it doesn't bend, it's just a straight line, irrespective to what the equation is. So to plot a graph, this is now plotting a graph. You write the equation in a slope intercept form. Determine values of y for samples and values of x. Plot the points and draw the joins. Guys, there are some really good examples at the bottom. Please have a go, and if you don't understand anything, I'm going to share the link of this page in the description. So have a look and give us a comment, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your time. And we'll hope to see you in more videos.